might have heard that God is everywhere in every object. In this video, I will prove the statement that God is present everywhere and in every object. You might be thinking which God I am going to show you in every object, whether the Jesus, the Lord Buddha, or the Brahma, Vishnu, and Lord Shiva, according to Hindu religion. Scientifically, it has been proven that Hinduism is the oldest one, so I will go with the Hindu religion. Now let's begin with the introduction of Brahma, Vishnu, and the Shiva. Let's start with Lord Brahma, the creator. He brings the universe into existence, forming everything from stars to living beings. Next, we have Lord Vishnu, the protector and maintainer of the universe. He ensures that everything operates according to dharma, or cosmic order. Finally, we have Lord Shiva, known as the destroyer. He represents the cycle of creation and destruction. Now, ready to see God? Consider any object besides you, or consider your body itself. What are you made up of? You all know it as atoms. Now let's dive a bit into an atom. The atom basically contains the electron with a negative charge, the proton with a positive charge, and the neutron with no charge. Wait, not over yet. N will blow your mind, so stay curious. Now consider the electron's function. Its major function is to create the bonds. Let me simplify it. Consider an atom of sodium, which contains 1 electron in its last cell and chlorine 7 in its last cell. Here, sodium gives its 1 electron to chlorine so that both sodium and chlorine become stable, forming the sodium chloride, nothing but the table salt. So from electrons, a new compound called sodium chloride is formed. So basically, electrons are the reason for creation here. So we can compare the Brahma to electrons because every material we see is the compound of different molecules, plants, animals, stars, galaxies, everything around us. Consider the proton now. What might be the function of the proton? Now we get to know that the cause of creation is Lord Brahma compared to electrons. But there is a catch. If the electron contains the negative charge, it will make the atom unstable. So the creation, when it is not maintained, will be unstable. For example, the number of species, animals, and plants. Consider the example of ocean fishes. The number of small fishes will be more, but on the other hand, their predators are in small numbers. Just reverse the condition. Imagine lakhs of sharks and only 1,000 small fishes. Does it seem fair? No. Similarly, as the proton, by its positive charge, maintains the atom from the negative charge, similarly, the creation is maintained by the Lord Vishnu whenever there is an dharma imbalance in the cosmic energy. It is maintained by the Lord Vishnu in mythological stories whenever there is a rise in evilness, that is, adharma. Lord Vishnu, through Avatar, brings the righteousness that is dharma on the earth. When evil Ravana spreading the evilness, cruelty, adharma, then Lord Vishnu took the avatar of Ram and killed the Ravan in order to maintain the dharma. Now the most interesting one, the neutron. Have you ever heard the nuclear fusion and fission reaction? As you might know that these reactions cause the release of large amount of uncontrollable energy, which cause the destruction in large quantities. Even the Lord Shiva is also considered as the destroyer of the creation, so he is compared to neutron. The one basic and only truth of universe is everything is universe is created and will be maintained for a certain period of time and then destroyed. Take example of humans only first birth, and then we live for certain age and then death. And God word itself says that G for generator, O for operator, and D for destroyer. So next, whenever you see any object or yourself in the mirror, remember they are within us also and in every object around us. Thank you for watching the video. To know such unknown mysteries of the universe, don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will change your perspective of seeing the world. See you in the next video.